guys, I'm going to tell you about an earthquake. 1 year ago in Pawnee, Oklahoma, a 5.8 earthquake hit Oklahoma. It was big enough, it hit us. And over here, my mom was discovering on the chair that these blinds were moving. Swaying, swaying, swaying. Everything was just shaking, so everything would be shaking. Curtains. This was even swaying like this. Alright, more blinds were shaking. Wait, is there about to be an actual earthquake? Okay, let's get back over here and actually tell what the earthquake means. So an earthquake are two plates. This is the plates of the ground. So sometimes the earth squeezes it so much they start fighting. And once they start fighting, roofs don't come off, but it shakes so much. And that was learning. Bye, Gabe. Bye.